Here I have Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button, choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and here you have to use the following combination of keys: power key, home button and volume up. Let's hold down together these three keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding them. Release all keys as soon as Samsung Galaxy J5 logo pops up on the screen. Wait a couple of seconds, and this is the Android robot, the Android image. Wait until the Android recovery boots on your device. And this is the no command picture, so it means that if you would like to have the access to recovery menu, you have to start holding the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. That's it. This is the Android recovery menu. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. You can read some information right here, and here you can also apply updates from ADB, apply updates from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs. You can run graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the last option, which is power off, or the first one, so reboot system now. So let me highlight this option and press power key to confirm it. Right now the Samsung Galaxy J5 is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds until the home screen pops up in front of you. That's it. As you can see, everything went well. Now the device is in normal mode, so you can start to use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.